Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the security threats that businesses face on emails and talk about some easy ways to overcome them and keep businesses safe. Running a business requires a lot of hard work and dedication, and making sure that business is safe from the dangers of the outside world is of utmost importance. While there is a range of potential issues to consider, a deceptively easy way for hackers to attack and infiltrate is through emails. While email threats have been around for a while, people still underestimate how simple and effective they can be, making it even more important for businesses to be aware of the potential risks and find ways to protect themselves. One of the biggest and oldest email security threats is spam. Spam emails come from random, unknown sources, often trying to trick people into giving them personal information and financial information. To help make sure your inbox is clear, look into specific spam filtering services and tools. Doing a quick search online should easily bring up a range of options, including Bitdefender Total Safety, which offers specifically optimized anti-spam services to be used on your email clients such as Microsoft Outlook, Thunderbird, and more. Another major threat is phishing. Criminals will often use legitimate-looking emails that contain malicious links and try to make victims believe they're real. This is done to obtain personal information as well as financial details and credit card numbers. To help stay safe from these kinds of scams, look for tools such as Bitdefender Total Security, which includes an advanced filtering system for websites as well as advanced anti-phishing protection. With technology becoming more portable, businesses may need to check their emails from different devices, potentially compromising underlying security and movements. To prevent this from happening, businesses can look at installing Bitdefender Total Security on all of their devices. It works across multiple software versions and can be used on up to 15 different devices, making sure your business is always safe from potential threats. So if you're a business looking for ways to protect yourself from email security threats, make sure you keep these tips in mind. And if you'd like some more information, be sure to check out the Bitdefender website, which offers real-time updates on malware outbreaks and scams. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe.